Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Rodney.
Rodney was a Davidson.
Ufevani.
Kabuyelo, Baba.
Kabuyelo.
Tonight we are cruising very nicely.
Where?
Khona babathibona angeke badliwe mele iPSL istop ama game.
Yes.
Yes, iskapsedance. Abo ma second.
Yes.
Oh yelleke.
Yes.
Ekvelda police.
Yes.
Begala. Today Excellent Pirate. Bathuthi to mix penalty. Begala namhlanje. Mina number 1 mina.
Number 1.
Baphika nami.
Uwe Kabuyelo. Kabuyelo uzoyithatha league this season.
Ka 8.
In a row.
Akekho umuntu oyithatha ileague ay 7 in a row. Baphi? Abakhulumi.
Amakhosi abalazi.
Ay 7. Mina. Ka 7. Ngiyithatha mina.
He's okay the Chiefs winning. He's okay the Chiefs winning. And when he support Kaizer Chiefs, they get surprised. When my son open his eyes today, yes, he saw Kaizer Chiefs winning. Yes. When he support Kaizer Chiefs for life, they get surprised.
Exactly.
Why? Why? Because we won. When he opened his eyes today, he was in the stadium with me. When he opened his eyes, he saw Kaizer Chiefs winning. His first day in stadium, he saw Kaizer Chiefs winning. That's crazy for life. That's crazy for life. Tibo.